You ram too much.
I know you hear that one.
Sit your backside down. You ram too much. Say, you ram too much.
You ram too much.
Walk my service.
I'm not on time. So.
Randy was like 10 seconds late.
I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
And we got a special guest in the building.
We got Bradley.
This is my brother, guys. As you can see, this is my brother. We look alike, though.
Yeah.
Not really. But not really. We're gonna take him.
I'm a lot lighter than him.
As you can see, he look like he never goes tanning. He can't tan, guys. He can go in the sun and just no burn. We have a special video for you guys today. As you can see by the title, we did this video a long time ago, guys, and you guys been requesting another part 2 for this. And here you have another part 2. So we're gonna bring you another Teaching My Brother Jamaican. If you guys don't know, Bradley grew up here.
Yeah.
He never experienced
He hasn't been
Jamaica,
to Jamaica
like that.
in how long?
Well, 8 years? Very long time ago. So it's gonna be very interesting. We do a part 2 to this right now, guys. Before we get started, I need you guys to go ahead and smash the like button. Smash the like button if you're from the Caribbean. Smash the like button if you're from Jamaica. Smash the like button if you're from America here.
Smash the like button if you were born.
In America.
In America and
Or
Jamaica.
anywhere.
Yeah, if you were born, yeah, smash the like button.
If you're just watching the video, just like.
So notification where you from.
Yeah.
So Bradley hasn't been back to Jamaica in a long time. So we're gonna just say some popular sayings and see if he knows them.
Yeah.
Or like just listen to him pronounce them, because it's gonna be so funny like the last time we did it.
Side note, guys, when he gets mad, the real Jamaican come out.
Yes. The older he gets,
yes,
I can hear it coming out.
Yes, and his mother cuss him enough. And we're gonna have a lot of relations and backlog of all the experiences he goes through with his mother. So you'll hear the examples. Alright, you guys ready? Remember to comment down below notification Jamaica, notification boom bang bang, notification which country you're from right now, and you get a shout out in the next video. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, Chad, what is the first word we have for Bradley, or phrase?
Alright, first phrase we are gonna say, see ya. Try to describe what it is.
Why are you gonna like
Okay, Chad, use it in a sentence.
See ya? I'm gonna try to do it like my
What
mother.
a sentence?
That's not a sentence.
Where the remote there? Where the remote there? See ya?
Wait, why are you asking me? I know what it means. I just don't know how to say it.
Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean?
It's like, there it is.
Yeah.
Okay, yes,
Okay.
alright. So, see ya, says see ya.
Seat air.
Give a year.
See here. Says seat ya.
Yeah, seat, yeah.
Seat ya.
Seat here.
Good try, good try, good try.
You get a 6 out of 10.
That didn't sound like it at all. I'm just gonna be honest with you. That sound like.
Take this one out. Respect me, G.
Oh, respect me, G.
Yeah.
See?
That's simple,
Perfect.
simple, perfect. You ram too much.
I know you hear that one.
Sit your backside down. You ram too much. Say, you ram too much.
You're on too much.
Bradley heard that on the daily.
Yeah, man, enough time. You know what time me and him get beaten? You do your schoolwork from morning.
Bradley get that every day.
I never understood this though. Like she said, if I did it from morning, and I just came home from school.
Like you're supposed to have the homework done before you even get it.
I can't, like, she expect me to go like into school. I already did the homework in that day. She think I'm supposed to be done by like all the homework for the rest of the year by tomorrow. So I don't understand.
Say it.
So what was to say?
You do your schoolwork from morning.
You do your schoolwork from morning.
Guys, we're gonna put the link to the last time we did this video. You're gonna see the big difference in Bradley from last time to this. First of all, his voice was so high. I watched it today.
He was a little baby, by the way, guys. He was younger, actually, not a baby.
That was probably like what, 3 years?
I apologize for calling you a baby. We run things not run we.
Okay. We run things things don't run me.
You're close. What does it mean?
Like, alright, we run things. Things don't run me. Like, we like. I'm gonna sound really.
Like we're in charge.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, like we're in control.
We're in control of
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
We're
You hear said things?
we're in control of the corporation.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Don't know I'm part of the association of Bulla Gang, so I must say this. Me love Bulla.
It's too dry.
You guys too dry.
It's rough.
It was choke, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know how Chad eats so much bulla.
Guys, I eat dry Bulla right now, guys.
Oh my god.
Without anything, no need no
way.
pear or no butter or no nothing. Straight Bulla. Yeah, man. Give me a cup of tea and me douse that. Why?
You throat game.
Yeah, but say it no. Me love Bulla.
I don't like. I don't like it. Me love Bulla.
Next word. Ashencia.
Next
Ashencia. Ashencia.
Ashencia.
You know what that is?
Yeah, I know Ashencia.
Yeah, you know Ashencia?
Yeah, cause mom play music.
Ina de Maros.
Indiana Mario. Oh, I messed that up. Okay, wait, can you do that?
Yeah, do that. Try again. Ina de Maros.
Indiana Maros.
Yeah.
Ina de Maros, yeah. What
What does
does
that
that mean?
mean?
You don't know what that means?
I don't know what that means.
That means tomorrow.
Yeah.
Link tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Oh,
Ina de Maros.
Okay.
Yeah. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, school bell a ring, knife and fork a five for
Oh my
dumpling.
God.
Booyaka, have a shabba ranking. What's that now?
The whole thing.
Repeat that.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling. Say ting-a-ling-a-ling.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
School bell a ring.
School bell a ring.
Knife and fork a fight for dumpling.
Knife and fork.
Booyaka.
What?
Booyaka.
Booyaka.
Lord, your breath stink. Say, Lord, your breath stink.
I don't know if that's an insult to me.
You don't know if it's a personal shot.
No, your breath never stink.
Okay, Lord, the best thing.
You brush your teeth from morning.
This is what I'm going to say to him. You brush your teeth from morning. Say, you brush your teeth from morning.
Brush your teeth from morning. Ew.
You put on the deodorant. You put on any deodorant, Bradley. You put on any deodorant, Bradley. So that Bradley, you put on any deodorant. Guys,
These are hilarious because he gets this every day.
Those voices, those inner voices that he's saying right there, that is his mother. He's going off of, guys.
Who can relate? When you're getting ready to go to school, like those are the things that your parents all.
Jamaican mothers will bust
You
open
brush
the
your
door.
teeth.
Bust open the door, you're sleeping on and say, you bathe from morning? Mommy, and you just wake up, you know? like really? Said, that no look good.
That no look good.
That's signature, Chad.
That no hot.
That not. Say that all the time.
That's signature, Chad.
Say this now, you must get this enough. Jesus Christ, Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ, Lord of mercy. What you gonna do, Bradley? What you gonna do?
What you do that for?
What you do that for? Jesus Christ, Lord of mercy. Say it.
Jesus Christ, Lord of mercy.
Bradley, why you have to play so chaka chaka? Say chaka chaka.
Did not hear that one. Chaka chaka, what is that? Explain.
I'll give you in a sentence. Why you have to play so chaka chaka?
Oh, I mean like dirty.
Like a
Yeah,
pig
like
sty,
messed
yeah.
up.
Pig side, okay.
Yeah.
Why have this place so chaka chaka?
You're too bad mind. So,
Oh, I heard that already.
Yeah.
You're too bad, man.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Where you hear that?
Everywhere.
You're too bad mind.
That's definitely a popular Jamaican saying.
You know-
I mean like fix your mindset.
Yeah. Red eye or you're
Yeah.
grudgeful, you know? Mad thing dog. Say mad thing dog.
dog.
He's getting there.
He's a lot better than the last time, remember?
Your mother probably said this about 100 times to you.
What?
Your damn crosses.
I can't say that.
Your damn crosses. Say it.
Mom's gonna watch this video. I can't say that.
You that damn crosses in a wall.
I can't sit
Bradley,
up.
me tired, you. Me tired. I'm gonna call your brother. Mommy, if you're watching, we apologize. Me no business. Say me no business. Me no business. I don't care. Me no business. Say, I don't care.
You know what's the funny part to this? Listening to them, they're definitely going after their mommy.
Kyle them tick like dumpling. Say Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling.
Kyle them tick like dumpling.
That's Bradley know that song?
Yeah, we play it.
I heard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, you know what the meaning of it, right?
Like big money.
Yeah.
So guys, if you guys want that part, well, a whole translation of Jamaican songs and translated with Bradley.
Whole translation.
Of a song, comment down below what song you want to hear right now. Hope you guys
getting good
enjoy
at
this
this
video.
though, guys.
Yeah, he's getting so much better. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. Really appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button again. This means a lot to us because Bradley is very shy when it comes to these videos, guys. And
I'm not really shy.
not anymore.
Not anymore. He used to be really
Yeah.
shy in the videos.
He wouldn't even say Kyle him. Yo, big up on the damn self. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. Really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to all the channels out there that we have down below. Go ahead and comment down below right now.
Guys.
Love you guys. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. It's for Bradley.
Yes, for me.
It's for him.
Do
Okay?
it for the brand.
Do it for the Brad. If you guys want to see more videos with Bradley, go ahead and comment down below. And we'll bring you more videos with Bradley because he's here with us for a good time and a long
Alright
time.
guys, the like goal is like 1,000.
We are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Tiana Hope.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to
Alvina Thornhill.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. And the third and final notification shout out goes to
Shavani Prasad.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, notification okra, notification boom bang, notification okay, notification Jamaica, notification which country you are from, go ahead and comment down below right now and you get a shout out in the next video. When you subscribe, hit the bell and the like button. We will see you guys another time.
Another time is up.
See ya!
Oh my god.
What was that?
I'm just joking, guys.
Alright guys, I'm just joking. Big up on the damn self.